Hi fam, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Jones Queen. I'm sorry for doing this intro without being on camera because nilitoka haraka. As you can see, niko kwa cab. I just wanted to spend my Saturday with you guys, and in this Saturday I'll be going for auditions at the Kenya National Theatre. It might take a whole day, so basically I think this is what I'll do with you guys. We'll get to have the audition experience together, and yeah, let's have fun.
Sina pressure kila move ni miko tesa
ndo kufika huku guys, so watu wamejaa huku. I'll show you venye watu wamejaa huku guys, Jesus Christ. Watu wamejaa huku for real na ni saa ngapi? Ni saa tatu watu ni wengi like shit, so I don't know mean to audition you as a guy. Anyways, let's hope for the best. So acha naonyesha around how KNT looks like na wasenyo wameja. Hope for the best. This is the Kenya National Theatre. Wow. Yeah, so this is the Kenya National Theatre. This is how pretty it looks like. So guys, as you can see, that is the line going into the audition room. Yeah, let me zoom in so that you can see the place well. So I am yet to join the line because namba zangu zishafikiwa. It's past midday, so watu wamechoka kabisa. Some people wamechill the other side because uko ndo forms zinapeanwa, uko ndo the chilling place. Unajua ukikuja hii side kutakuwa na kelele na watu wana audition. So let me see if I can take you. Yeah, wako pale chini ya shade. Yeah, guy, nisha join line. Tension guy. Nisha join line. Nimeona join mechoka, acha ni join line alafu nijazie form yangu hapo nikiwa kwa line. So there's me. Najaza form guy. Najua nakaa mtu mwenye anafikiria exam, mtu mwenye ana feel in exam. It wasn't even supposed to be that serious.
you was what it means to be me many times me no wonder living is poetry getting down Nikki was
So my form is ready. Nangoja tu kuauditioniwa. I don't think I'll record from now. I'll tell you the feeling, guys.
346 minutes later.
Nimeshatoka huko ndani, nimetense. Na feel tu ni okay, I've done my thing. Okay, I hope they consider doing. But I hope if things turn out to be good, wanionyesha audition clip yangu juu.
So guys,
so ni masaa jioni hivi punde, so saa ni masaa ya kwenda. So guys, it is time to go. We are going home. No, but I first want to stop by at a supermarket. I want to get taka kutafuta yogurt to calm me down. Ama nichukue Fanta Passion sijui, and then niende nipande nganya back to where I stay. So yeah, basically that's it. So I think this will be the outro for the video. Bye, love you fam. Make sure you subscribe if you had fun with me in this video. So bye fam, I love you. See you in the next video.
what it means to be me many times me no wonder